The year's budget will go down in the history of India as the one which will create the right environment for engineering an economic miracle which has so far flooded the country. Para. India is indeed fortunate to have one of its most distinguished and internally respected economists. Mr. Manmohan Singh presented his third successive budget within a scope of 20 months. Indeed, he has performed a miraculous feat of cutting indirect taxes by rupees 500 crores, increasing development plan expenditure and at the same time reducing budgetary deficit to rupees 4,000 crores, which is lowest over in the fiscal history of India. Para. The greater merit of the budget proposal is that the finance minister has attempted to review the recession-ridden industrial sector, the cutting of excise and customs duties resulting in a loss of revenue of almost rupees 5,000 crores will galvanize industry because the cut will enable industrial unit to achieve two objectives: compensate them for the increase in cost and pass on a part of the reliefs to the consumer, which would create a new wave of demand reversing the recessionary trend. Para. In fact, excise duty reduction will cover the next 2 years, bring in more revenue for the exchequer as the turnover of industrial unit will rise dramatically, which will result in larger payment of excise duties. The revival will have a cascading effect leading in higher investment and turnover. Para. The finance minister has put tremendous emphasis on the development of agricultural sector. In fact, agricultural output is going to be an all-time high of about 200 million tons. Coupled with this increase, the higher procurement price will result in greater purchasing power in the hands of the rural masses. Thus, the demand-oriented boom will not only revive industry on the path of unprecedented growth, but will see the consumer good industry on the path of unprecedented growth. The consumer goods industry, which is basically the labor incentive, will also generate greater employment opportunity and result in generating more funds in the hands of the people to fulfill their need for consumer good. Para. In fact, the Indian agricultural sector will greatly benefit from the government strategy of reducing the high level of protection given to Indian industry. The more competitive exchange rate which has been brought about will also give a boost to export of agricultural commodities and agro-based product, again leading to greater resources in the hands of the rural masses. Para. The finance minister has to be congratulated for candidly admiring that despite liberalization at the policy level, most of the procedures in many areas remain archaic and cumbersome. He has further promised to review the various corporate and commercial laws and bring them in the line with the emerging economic environment.